What's up, guys? We have a 2023 GR86. We end up installing the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm because they come around and they break windows and like to check cars or whatever the reason that they leave the car on full brakes and try to bust out the lug nut locks and takes the rims and tires. The only way that alarm will go off from factory, it's if somebody opens a door and it sets off, but nobody's going to do that. They're going to break your window and jump in, and to take the rims and tires, there's no need to open the door. Make sure that you double check to make sure your alarm is enabled, because a lot of times when you buy these cars, you have to manually go through a setting that I believe you have to hit the door lock button a few times with the remote. I forgot the combination. The customer did it, and somebody else that we did this car also did it. So yeah, so go on YouTube and find out how to enable your alarm if it's disconnected. The way to do it is put your driver's window down, close the door, hit lock, wait until that lock starts flashing in the steering wheel by the speedometer, and then reach in and open the door and see if it sets off. If it doesn't, then do that little research and enable your factory alarm. That way it works. So we already installed the only reason why we don't lower the window, because you got to tint it, so we're not going to lower the windows. But I'm going to go ahead, we already finished the shock sensor. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. It's gonna set off the alarm. And then we also gave him a module, a linker module. So when it does fire off, he wants to get a notification to his phone in case he's at the gym or at work or whatnot, or at the mall. He wants to make sure that he gets a notification in his phone in case if somebody were to come to his car and bang on it in any type of way or backing into it or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the window. It's gonna set off the alarm. Turn it off, just hit this little Toyota emblem, which is the same thing that will unlock the doors. That's the way to turn it off. It works on both sides. Anywhere you bang in this vehicle, it will set off the alarm. Any tires that you kick, it will set off the alarm. We'll try arming it again, and then we'll do the test on the other side. Okay, he has an Android phone, so the notifications come in, and any iPhone users, it does come in. The app comes with GPS. It comes with the app, and then he's able to see where the car is. For security reasons, I'm not going to show where the vehicle's at, but I will show you what the app looks like. Okay, this is what the app looks like. It tells you the voltage of the vehicle, the signal, the actual unit, the temperature inside the car. Our contact information is right here. Okay, it's right there if you guys want to write it down. Okay, and then it has a GPS, but I'm not going to do that for security reasons. I think his privacy is important. I'm going to go ahead and I think I will give it a few more seconds, and I'm going to go ahead and bang on this side. Sorry about all the noise. He lives in a corner house with a lot of traffic, which is probably a lot of the reasons why you want to go ahead and do this, is because a lot of people drive by and it's kind of like window shopping. They see your car and they'll memorize the corner of the street. But then again, theft happens anywhere. But corner streets, I don't like them too much. This concludes a shock sensor alarm installation in Miami, Florida. Numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. We do, if you're out of state, just give us a call and we can show you exactly how to get this installed as soon as possible in your vehicle. Our numbers again is 305-298-4814. Out of state, feel free to give us a call, and I guarantee you that I will give you the info so you can get this installed. And we thank you for watching this video.